200 packets, and you are scrolling for the problem. One response code tells you where the fault lives. Before you read any response, the full decision tree is on VoIP School. But here's the core. Figure out direction first. The from header tells you who originated. The request URI tells you where it went. Skip this, and a 403 tells you nothing about who rejected whom. RFC 3261 groups responses into 6 classes. The first digit tells you which side owns the failure. A 4XX means the request was wrong or refused. Look upstream at what the originator sent. A 5x means the far-end server failed. Look at the server that sent it. A 6x means global refusal. Do not retry anywhere. Same call, different ending. On the left, 486 busy here. The call reached the callee. The user is occupied. This is not a network problem. On the right, 488 not acceptable here. Almost always media. The codec list did not overlap. 2 different problems, same call, different class. Here is the method. Open the trace. Find the first final response that is not 200 OK. Read the first digit. That is the side that owns the problem. It works the same on a 50 packet trace and a 5000 packet trace. Direction, first non-2x class. Done. If you want to stop reading traces by intuition and start reading them by method, that is what VoIP School teaches. The full write-up has the decision tree and every code that fools people.